what's up you guys? Before the video starts, I just wanted to say welcome to my channel. This program was made possible by contributions to Princeton Productions from viewers like you. And last but not least, today's video schedule is brought to you in part by... Thank you and enjoy the video. Hey, what's up you guys? It's your boy Steve here. Happy summer day. And so, I'm going to be watching Angry Grandpa AXES air conditioner. So yeah, Grandpa takes an axe to smash his air conditioning unit. So yeah, when he thinks it's not been working right now. So yeah, Grandpa says he took an axe. Michael said he took an axe to smash his air conditioner unit. Come on, man. Oh my god. This air conditioner is very expensive. You need to call the repairman before you could get your air conditioner fixed. Alright, here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you right after the video. I wonder why is he freaking out and smash it.
For the past week, Dad's been talking about his house has been scorching hot. And
it is scorching hot.
Michael, get the man over here to fix my air conditioner. He was there yet 2 days ago. He said, well, then call him back. He said there was nothing wrong with it. Call him back. They probably didn't put a fee on it.
It's you, obviously.
How can it be me? It was freezing cold on the 4th of July.
It's your responsibility to control the air conditioner.
You got till tomorrow morning to get this damn thing. You gotta be kidding. It's fucking 8 o'clock at night. The heater's got me.
You need to drink water.
The heater's got me. You better be there by 9. You better be there by 9 o'clock. I can't help you. I'll try.
I'll look.
9 o'clock? I ought to be awake to know.
The next day, in Grandpa's house...
What's going on?
Oh, I hear Charlie's voice.
I know. It's not that hot in here. It feels good in here.
You're full of shit.
Hey, why don't you call his son a full of shit?
This bullshit, Charlie.
It's fun.
Oh, I see Charlie filming him.
He didn't think I would.
What do you got in mind?
Where is Grandpa going?
Bullshit.
He's going outside. Out to the backyard, but there's an air conditioner unit.
It's cut off at the moment. It's fine in there. There's, oh my god, you know. You need to chill, Dad.
Yeah, you need to chill out, Grandpa. Listen to your son, Charlie.
I don't like where this is going, man.
Where's my tool?
Oh my god, he's got an axe.
The AC is fine. The AC is fucking fine. It feels good in there. You just want to break something.
Oh my god, he's gonna smash the air conditioner.
What?
Oh god.
Holy shit! Oh my god!
Fuckers.
What is he doing?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Now.
He is so freaky.
Oh my god, Dad, stop!
Yeah, stop it! You need to pay for more. You need to pay for the new air conditioner.
Are you happy? Oh my god. Oh. Oh my. Oh god.
Oh my. Jeez.
It's there now. See, it's blowing cold air now. Look.
Yeah, you fucked it up now.
Yeah, you fucked
You know what
up.
this is gonna cost?
A lot of goddamn money, dude.
Yeah, well.
Michael's gonna fix it.
Michael is not gonna fix it. Call the repairmans.
Oh my. I don't even know what to say anymore, man. I hope you're happy.
There, Michael. Fix the air conditioner.
God damn, you're gonna hurt yourself. You need to stop.
And he dropped the axe.
Fix the air conditioner, Michael.
Hope you're fucking happy, man.
Oh my god. And he throw a chair.
Because the guy is not here. It's 8 o'clock in the morning.
No, it's 9.
I'm gonna laugh when he shows up like 5 minutes from now.
Shut up. I just fixed the air conditioner.
Okay, so...
Well, you're gonna be hot as hell now. We're all
Michael,
gonna be fucking hot.
you better get somebody over here now. I think I need a little Freon.
Look what you did to this damn
I didn't know.
Yeah, look
AC.
what have you done?
Destroyed.
Wow.
What? I'm afraid it's gonna blow the hell up on me or something.
I think that's gonna explode.
It's fine.
Oh no, not again!
Will you please stop?
Yeah, could you stop already? God damn it!
Call your goddamn brother and get his ass over here to fix the air conditioner right now.
Oh yeah, he's definitely gonna see this.
Oh my god, he's gonna flip out. Michael's gonna flip out with this.
Nobody here at 8 o'clock like I told you.
Dad, I tried.
No, you didn't try.
Nobody was working.
Bridget, did I call last night or not?
If you want to see Michael react after he smashed the air conditioner, check out this video from KidBehindACamera's YouTube channel.
Your air conditioning was fine. Now it's not.
It was not fun. It was over 100 degrees.
You leave me
this morning.
You leave me no choice but put you up in a fucking hotel now.
Okay, so if you want to see if Michael reacts to after he smashed the air conditioner, you better watch this video, and this is gonna be a bonus video. So I am so shocked that he keeps smashing this air conditioner. But our air conditioner is fine, but one of our neighbor is a repairman who fixed our air conditioner. It's been like years ago. So yeah, this is gonna be a very interesting video that I want to see. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to make more me into another Angry Grandpa videos. I will see you guys next time. Okay guys, peace out and bye.
Mm-hmm.